I chose a term called mull it over. To mull it over. Does anyone know that expression?
I think so.
Yeah?
When you, between like a couple of choices.
Yep, exactly. It means to consider something, to take more time to think about it carefully. And it's usually going to be in that, those three exact words, mull it over. You could maybe see something, oh, let's mull this over this instead of it sometimes, or to mull something over. But it's almost always going to be those exact three words, mull it over, so you don't have to worry about changing it or just use it. And a lot of times it's used with the words like let's mull it over, or I'm going to, I'm gonna, I need to mull it over. And it simply means think about it more carefully or consider something. So I usually try to choose expressions that I used, and I used this one yesterday. One of our friends said we're going to have some group dinner, like a bunch of us get together March 31st. And he said, oh, how about we go to this restaurant? And I said, oh, let's mull it over and decide later. So maybe we can go to that one, but there's other restaurants we can choose too. So let's mull it over. Let's think about it. It kind of gives that idea of later, decide later, like that, to mull. So the word mull is not really used that much by itself. You could maybe see it used by itself, meaning to think, to mull. But it's usually used to mull it over. Any questions?